So first we will start with simple squamous epithelia. So simple squamous epithelia. The cells are somewhat like this with nucleus, and one of the most important questions being asked in NEET is about basement membrane. And here's the basement membrane. Which is non-cellular. Then there's a layer at the bottom which is called Debau's layer. The simple squamous epithelium forms the diffusing layer. For example, it is alveoli. Here we can't find any of the capillaries. So it is non-vascular. This was all about simple squamous epithelium. Now about simple cuboidal epithelium. So simple cuboidal epithelium, it contains different classifications. So first one is non-ciliated simple cuboidal epithelium. So with the name we can say there is no